In this video, I will guide you how to add group to Access Toolbar in Excel. But keep in mind, customizing the quick Access Toolbar in Excel by adding entire groups like the found is a high-level productivity move. Instead of adding single buttons, you can have a whole set of tools available in one click. So locate the group you want to add in the Access Toolbar. For example, I am adding this found group to the Access Toolbar. So for this, you need to right click on the group and you need to click on this add to the quick access toolbar. And now you can see that this group has been added to the toolbar, and now you can simply one click and your all icons are appeared here. And now you can collapse the ribbon, and now you have some added space in the screen. So this way you can improve your efficiency and view the data if you have a large data. So if you want to restore the ribbon, you need to right click and collapse the ribbon. And now and again right click and show the quick access toolbar. And now your toolbar will appear now. If you want to remove this group from the access toolbar, you need to right click again on the icon and remove from quick access toolbar. And now this group has been removed from the access toolbar. So with this way you can manage how to add group to the access toolbar in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.